Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna explain to you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and close your Shopify store. So let's go to the Shopify app, let's open it. And what you're gonna do is you're going to your store. And first of all, you're gonna tick on apps. So as you can see, I have no apps added yet, but if you have, you see here a list of the apps you are paying for. So if that is the case, please tap on every app and cancel the subscription so you don't pay for the apps anymore. So once you have done that, click back on Store and click on Settings. And once you're here, you can go to Domains over here. As you can see, I have no domains in this app, but if you have so, please make sure you know that once you cancel your Shopify store, these domains go back. Dus maybe you want your domain connected to another website or another store. So please check that, otherwise it will be gone. And that will be a pity. So once you have done that, go back to your settings again and click on plan. And you can see here that I have a trial plan, and the red button says deactivate trial. But if you have a payment Shopify, or you have another plan, you pay, for example, $1 a month or $4 a month, this will say deactivate your shop or cancel your shop or close your shop on the red button. You just have to click on this button and then follow the next steps. So that's how you cancel your Shopify subscription. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna explain to you how to cancel your Shopify